ParaPro Practice Test 2026 Paraprofessional Assessment, Full Course Data Interpretation Guide. Question 1. In a bar graph showing favorite fruits, the bar for apple is 10 units high. What does this mean? 10 people like apples. Apples cost $10. There are 10 types of apples. Apples are 10 years old. The height of the bar represents the value/frequency. Question 2. A pie chart shows that 50% of students like blue. If there are 200 students, how many like blue? 50, 100, 150, 20. 0.50x 200 equals 100. Question 3. What is the x-axis on a graph? The vertical line, the horizontal line, the title, the legend. The x-axis runs horizontally. Question 4. If a table shows student scores and 85, Bob, 90, Cal, 80, who had the highest score, and Bob, Cal, all same. 90 is the highest value in the set. Question 5. What does a legend or key on a map or graph do? Tells a story, explains what the symbols mean, gives the author's name, locks the data. The key defines the meaning of colors, shapes, or symbols used. Question 6. In a line graph, an upward sloping line indicates decrease over time, increase over time, no change, a mistake. Upward slope represents growth or increasing values. Question 7. A table lists temperatures: Mon, 70, Tuesday, 72, Wed, 68. What is the average? 70, 72, 68, 71. 70 plus 72 plus 68, /3 equals 210 /3 equals 70. Question 8. Which type of graph is best for comparing parts of a whole? Line graph, bar graph, pie chart, scatter plot. Pie charts show proportions of a total. Question 9. A student is looking at a graph of rainfall. If January had 4 inches and February had 2 inches, how much more rain fell in January? 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, 0 inches. 4 to 2 equals 2. Question 10. What is the y-axis? Horizontal line, vertical line, diagonal line, the border. The y-axis runs vertically. Question 11. In a scatter plot, points that are close together in a line suggest no relationship, a correlation or pattern, random data, broken computer. Clustered points often indicate a relationship between variables. Question 12. A graph shows time on the x-axis and speed on the y-axis. What is being measured? Distance, acceleration, speed over time, fuel level. The graph tracks changes in speed as time passes. Question 13. If a table shows the number of books read, week 1, 2, week 2, 5, week 3, 3, how many books were read in total? 7, 8, 10, 15. 2 plus 5 plus 3 equals 10. Question 14. What does a flat line in a line graph mean? Rapid growth, no change or constant value, the end of the test, a decline. A horizontal line indicates the value remained the same. Question 15. Which tool is used to find the exact value of a point on a grid? A ruler, coordinates, x, y, a calculator, a compass. Coordinates specify an exact location on a graph. Question 16. If a chart shows 1/4 of a class is absent, and there are 24 students, how many are absent? 4, 6, 8, 12. 24/4 equals 6. Question 17. A bar graph has categories: dog, cat, fish. What kind of data is this? Numerical, categorical, time series, algebraic. Categorical data represents distinct groups. Question 18. In a Venn diagram, the overlapping section represents unique items, shared characteristics, Deleted items. The title. Overlap shows items that belong to both sets. Question 19. A table has a row labeled total. What does it usually represent? The first item, the sum of the values in the column, the average, a mistake. The total row sums the preceding data. Question 20. How do you find the range of a data set? Add all numbers, subtract the smallest from the largest, pick the middle number, count the numbers. Range equals max, min.